This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ferrari Roma full guide. Begin by laying out the car's basic proportions, marking hood length, roof curve, and wheelbase with simple shapes. Focus on clean, flowing lines for the body and avoid overworking early strokes. Once proportions feel right, refine wheel arches and window openings, then gradually add panel creases and body details to lock in the Roma's distinctive profile. In this video, I will explain how to draw a Ferrari Roma full guide. Start by measuring the overall length and dividing it into hood, cabin, and rear sections to keep proportions consistent. Draw the roofline as a smooth arc and set wheel centers, then shape the fenders to flow around the wheels. Maintain symmetry by checking both sides as you refine the main body shapes and surface lines for balance. In this video, I will compare how to draw a Ferrari Roma full guide. Quick recommendation: while you draw, keep snacks and materials organized with leak-proof meal prep containers I use in the studio. They make cleanup simple and keep paint rags separate from food. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to draw a Ferrari Roma full guide. With the main shapes in place, block in headlights, grille, mirrors, and window surrounds, keeping edges crisp. Use soft shading to imply curvature, adding stronger highlights on sharp creases and subtle reflections along the body. Work in layers, rough shading, midtones, then highlights and darkest accents to create a convincing metallic finish and depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.